Lesson 18. Story Writing. Story writing is an interesting exercise. Children love to read and hear stories. Here are the outlines of some short stories. They will develop the power of thinking and writing among the students. A thirsty crow. A thirsty crow looks for water, finds it nowhere. A pitcher with little water at bottom, unable to reach the water, puts pebbles into it, level comes up, drinks, quenches his thirst. Solution: once there was a thirsty crow. He was looking for water but found it nowhere. Then he saw a pitcher with a little water at the bottom. He was unable to reach the water. He thought a plan. He put pebbles into the pitcher. Thus, the level of water came up. Then he drank the water and quenched his thirst. Live unitedly. An old man feels distressed. His quarreling sons, teaches them a lesson, gives them a bundle of sticks, none is able to break, united the bundle, each broke it easily, teaches them to live in unity. Solution: an old man had 6 sons. They always quarreled together. One day he gave them a bundle of sticks to break. But none of them was able to break it. Then he untied the bundle. He gave one stick to each of them. Now they broke it easily. Thus, he taught them to live unitedly. The Fox and the Crane. Fox thought of playing a trick. To dinner, soup in a flat dish. The fox lapped up. Crane to revenge, food was put, jar, licked only the outer side, fox went. Solution: one day a cunning fox thought of playing a trick on his neighbor, the crane. He invited him to dinner. He put soup in a flat dish and offered it to the crane. The crane, on account of his long slender beak, could not have it. The fox lapped up the whole soup in an instant. The poor crane went away hungry. The crane wanted to revenge himself from the fox for the trick. After some days he invited the fox for dinner. He served only boiled rice in a long-necked jar. The food was put at the bottom of the jar. The crane could eat the rice easily with his long, slender beak. The fox could not reach the rice and licked only the outer side of the jar. The crane made a good dinner, but the fox went away hungry. Like, share, and subscribe.